So to create product as subscription on Shopify, you have two ways of finding out how you do it. First things first, let me teach you something. Whether you have an issue, here's an AI, and you can ask him pretty much about anything. I'm not going to show about it, but you can check this out for yourself. You can play with this and see how powerful it is. But the steps are you have to log into your Shopify admin, then go over to your products, then click the product which you meant to manage the subscription of or even start engaging with the subscription. Then select whether to sell the product as a subscription only. And you can have these in two options. For example, to sell the product as subscription only, check only sell this product as subscription. And to sell the product as a one-time purchases as well as subscriptions, uncheck sell only this product as a subscription. And that's it. You can even add the subscription policy. But if you want to hassle, you can read all of this through. And don't forget to check out their AI.